Hello everyone, myself Pooja Swaminathan. So today I'm here to just discuss regarding my experiences which I've experienced as a graduate till the time when I took up a job. So I had done Bachelor's of Pharmacy from Amity University, India. It's a 4 years program. So when I was in my third year of pharmacy, I remember that I wanted to pursue MS in toxicology, for which I was truly determined. And I thought that this was the only career goal that I wanted back then. Then at that moment, I didn't know that something more I can discover for myself. As I only thought that doing research, publishing articles could be the possibilities. So I saw that most of my seniors were either getting into an M.Pharm, which is Master of Pharmacy, which is a 2 years program after B.Pharm, or either they were going abroad for doing their MS in pharmacology or MS in toxicology or even MS in pharmaceutics. So nobody actually talked in depth at what the world looks other way around if not M.Pharm or MS. By the grace of God, I met my pen pal, or my I would say my mentor, my guardian, Mr. Chandrasekhar sir. Without his advice and without his support, I won't have self-analyzed myself this much. And he supported me a lot even while I was a student. When I was doing my B.Pharm, when I contacted him when I was in my third year, I used to write mails. We used to talk with each other on mails, and I used to discuss like I want to seek his guidance. I want to do my masters. Please tell me the possibilities. How can I be a good student and I can enter United States for my masters. So he gave me a true support in making me discover my interest. Actually, even during my graduation, he always insisted me, not to run behind rat race, and rather advised me to go with the flow. Soon I finished my bachelor's and I took up a job through the campus placement, and it was more towards sales. And from there I gained few of experiences, and after that I jumped into another organization for which I'm currently working as a business executive at GSK Vaccines, also known as GlaxoSmithKline. So for me, if you see, with just 1.6 years of experience into pharma industry, I realized that my interest and growth relies in becoming a brand manager, that is working for a product, starting from its launch, designing the communication for the Salesforce team till the brand is at the market surveillance. So, achieving my true goal, or I would say my true dream, was possible because I was able to give myself time to explore and got to know my true potential. Now, being a top performer for my current organization and executing my day to day activities effectively and efficiently, I strongly believe that marketing is actually the line for which I am planning to move ahead, and even planning to get an MBA in pharma management soon, as it would be a value added to my career. So, in this whole experience of mine, I just want to conclude that never just get satisfied with one ambition. Just keep your eyes and your ears open. You might not know, like I thought that I am good at research. For me, or research is the line. Or doing just MS or PhD, I would be happier. But today, I am much more happier when I am working for the marketing team. I believe that I would be a good brand manager if I get an opportunity soon.